If your PC feels slow, bloated, or just not performing like it should, then this tool might be exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to walk you through a powerful Windows optimization software, a free, open-source utility that lets you clean, tweak, and speed up your system with just a few clicks. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just tired of background junk, this guide will show you exactly how to get the best out of it. Let's get started.
Frustrated with the lag and high ping while you play games? So guys, you need Gear Booster. This is the ultimate tool to lower your ping, boost stability, and give you zero lag. Pro players like Asian Jeff and Polarized use it to stay ahead, so why not you? Download Gear Booster now from the link in the description and dominate every match.
After downloading using the link in the description and installing it on your PC, open it. Once you launch Sparkle, you're greeted with a modern, user-friendly interface that feels fast and easy to navigate. Right from the home screen, it presents a clear snapshot of your system's health, covering performance indicators, system condition, and any available tweaks you can apply. One neat touch is how it tracks your progress, like showing how many optimizations are currently active. Let's explore the key areas inside Sparkle and what each one brings to the table. Tweaks tab. This is where most of the action happens. The Tweaks section is packed with categorized system improvements that you can apply with a single click. These categories cover specific aspects: performance tweaks aimed at the CPU, RAM, and responsiveness, privacy tweaks to disable tracking, telemetry, and background data collection, GPU-related tweaks that help with rendering and latency, and general or network tweaks for system stability and smoother connectivity. Everything is labeled clearly with short descriptions, so you're not blindly applying changes. Sparkle tells you what each tweak does and why it matters, which is great for users who want to know exactly what's being modified. Coming up, I'll explain how to apply these tweaks and which ones are the most effective for different types of PCs. Debloat Windows in one click. Sparkle includes a great one-click debloating tool to clean out unwanted bloatware. With just a button press, it launches a PowerShell script behind the scenes to safely remove pre-installed apps and background junk that are slowing down your system. What's great is you can see exactly what's being removed as it happens, full transparency. And no worries, anything removed using this method can be reinstalled through the Microsoft Store if you ever need it back. So it's both safe and reversible. Performance tuning options. Inside Sparkle, you'll find useful tools to unlock better system performance, especially helpful for gamers or those on older hardware. You can enable the ultimate power plan, stop background services, disable unused features like Game Bar, and even apply NVIDIA-specific settings. These tweaks collectively can boost speed and reduce lag. Some of them may require a restart before the changes take effect, but the improvement is worth it. Core isolation. Another useful tweak inside the tweaks section is called core isolation. This is a built-in Windows security feature that uses virtualization to protect core system processes from malware. While it sounds helpful, the downside is that it can slightly reduce performance, especially on systems with limited CPU power or older hardware. If you prioritize gaming or high performance over deep-level security, disabling core isolation can help your processor run more efficiently. Disable fast startup. Another tweak you'll find is the option to disable fast startup. This Windows feature is meant to speed up boot times by partially hibernating your system instead of fully shutting it down. But in reality, it often causes more problems than it solves, like driver issues, system instability, and slower performance after long use. Especially for gamers or power users, disabling fast startup can lead to more consistent behavior during fresh boots and fewer bugs over time. Disable hibernation. Another recommended tweak is to disable hibernation, especially if you're not using it. Hibernation allows your PC to save its current state to disk and power off completely, but it also reserves several gigabytes of storage for the hibernation file, even if you never use the feature. On low-end systems or SSDs with limited space, this can be a waste of valuable storage. By turning it off through Sparkle, you instantly free up that space without affecting normal sleep or shutdown functions. Disable HPET service. One of the more advanced tweaks you'll find is the option to disable HPET, or High Precision Event Timer. It can introduce unnecessary input lag and reduce overall responsiveness, especially in games. Disabling HPET can lead to smoother mouse movement, better frame pacing, and more stable performance in certain scenarios. Sparkle makes this change easy to apply without needing to dig into command prompts or BIOS menus. While results can vary slightly between systems, many users report noticeable improvements after turning it off. Optimize network settings. Sparkle also includes a tweak to optimize network settings, which can be especially useful for gamers and streamers. Windows applies certain default configurations that aren't always ideal for real-time performance. It may prioritize background services or introduce delays in packet handling. By applying Sparkle's network optimization, you can reduce latency, improve ping stability, and enhance overall connection responsiveness. It adjusts key parameters like TCP settings, congestion control, and more, all safely and automatically. GPU-specific improvements. Sparkle also includes targeted GPU tweaks, mainly for NVIDIA cards. These settings help improve frame rendering, reduce latency, and adjust your system for better gaming performance. While AMD support isn't here yet, it's likely to be added in future versions, making the tool even more versatile. If you've got an NVIDIA GPU, these tweaks are definitely worth enabling. Builtin Cleaner. The Cleaner tab is another standout feature that deserves attention. It's designed to help you reclaim valuable storage space by removing junk files that build up over time, like temporary application data, leftover Windows Update files, cached prefetch data, and even the contents of your recycle bin. These files serve no purpose once they're outdated, but they continue to take up space and slow down your system. Sparkle's Cleaner tool safely clears them out in just a few clicks. If your PC hasn't been cleaned in a while, you might be surprised at how many gigabytes you can recover. And the best part? It performs this cleanup without touching anything important. Your system files, documents, and personal data remain completely safe. Not only do you free up storage, but you'll also notice a boost in responsiveness and overall performance afterward. Backup and recovery system. One of Sparkle's most important safety features is its built-in backup and restore function. Before making any big changes, you can create a full backup of your system's current state. If anything goes wrong or if a tweak causes issues, you can roll everything back with just one click. Just give your backup a name and hit create. You can manage, delete, or restore from these backups anytime. It's a smart move to back things up before experimenting, and Sparkle makes it really simple. Powerful utilities, Simplified. Sparkle's utility section brings powerful Windows maintenance commands right to your fingertips, without ever needing to touch the command line. It simplifies essential tasks like scanning and repairing system files, flushing the DNS cache, checking for disk errors, and more, all through a clean, button-based interface that's easy to understand. These are the kinds of commands that usually require PowerShell or command prompt, but Sparkle wraps them into a friendly dashboard that anyone can use. It offers similar functionality to apps like WinToolkit or PowerToys, but with a more focused and beginner-friendly layout. Whether you're an advanced user looking for quick access or a casual user who wants to clean and fix their system safely, this section makes advanced tools accessible to everyone. Quick App Installer. Need to reinstall your go-to apps on a new Windows setup? Sparkle's app section functions like a lightweight app manager. You'll find essential software like browsers, media players, and communication apps such as Discord or Skype. It's an ideal shortcut for getting your system ready after a clean install, letting you skip the usual hunt and download process. In the final tab, you'll find Sparkle's settings and update section. Here, you can adjust a few behavior preferences and check for new versions. It's worth noting the app is still in beta, but already feels polished and reliable. The developer is clearly focused on usability and performance, with more improvements expected as updates roll out. So guys, that was today's video. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.